Kevin Stevens with Protein Pantry. We've talked a lot about the different components of the metabolic system: your gut, your intestines, your liver, your cells that need to be insulin sensitive to be able to metabolize. But one thing we've never touched on, and is really just new coming out in research, and came out in a book from Dr. Perlmutter, Drop Acid is the name of his new book, and it talks about the importance of keeping your uric acid levels under control and the damage that elevated uric acid has on your metabolic system. And that's what our system is all about, is the resolution of metabolic dysfunction. We focus on metabolic dysfunction and the resolution of that, and the only way to resolve metabolic dysfunction and become more metabolic functional is to affect all of these various components of the metabolic system. And we do that. You know, when you look at our system, every little thing we have you do has a purpose. And all of these different things that we have you do on our system are affecting all of these various components of your metabolic system to allow you to heal and bring that metabolic function back the way that it should be. And it's the only way that you are going to maintain your success after you've reached your health goal. So we're going to dive into this a little deeper and show you how uric acid, elevated uric acid levels negatively affect your metabolic function.
Okay, so we're diving in deeper to these metabolic components. Number one, we've talked a lot about the gut and intestinal tract, okay, our whole digestive tract. Important thing here is bacteria balance. You have to have the proper bacteria balance in order to absorb the nutrients in the food you eat properly, and this is the basis of metabolic health. This is a picture of the large intestine, the colon. Again, super important to have proper bacteria balance here to absorb nutrients properly and to have proper signaling with hormones. Okay. Liver, very important to uncongest the liver. When the liver is congested, your body will hold fat in the middle on purpose. The liver will overproduce glucose, and you're going to have an extremely hard time losing weight and improving overall health. Pancreas, everybody knows the pancreas has the beta cells that produce our insulin, but also the pancreas produces enzymes that help to break food down, okay? So we get to our kidneys, we get to what we were talking about with high uric acid levels. Everybody knows high uric acid levels cause a certain amount of kidney stones and gout and overall kidney disease, but it does a lot more than that. It contributes to metabolic dysfunction, okay? And how it does this, really, it inhibits the activation of AMPK. AMPK is an enzyme responsible, is one of the enzymes responsible for signaling the body to release fat out of the fat cells and burn the fat as energy. So if you have high uric acid levels, it's negatively affecting the activation of this enzyme, and you are going to have a tough time getting into that fat burning stage. Also contributes to fatty liver disease, okay? What are the causes of high uric acid? Well, alcohol consumption, fructose consumption. These two sugars metabolize directly into uric acid, okay? High protein consumption, okay? When you break proteins down, it releases what are called purines, which then metabolize into uric acid. So this is why our diet is never high protein. We give you the minimal amount of protein you need to support cellular health. The remedy for all this, ketogenic style diet, our diet system, okay? Getting rid of some of these foods that are causing the high uric acid. Polyphenol consumption, the polyphenols through green vegetables, polyphenols like quercetin, lutein, these are big ones that Dr. Perlmutter mentions that lowers uric acid. Antioxidant consumption, green tea, vitamins A, C, D, and zinc. Guess what? Green tea extract, all these supplements are in our complete nutrition multivitamin. Unbelievable supplement we give you, full of polyphenols and antioxidants. So between the vegetables that we have you eat on our system and our multivitamin, you are getting these powerful polyphenols and antioxidants to lower uric acid. So this is just a real quick review of a very important subject that's overlooked when we talk about metabolic function, and we don't overlook it, and we're having a big effect on it, and we are lowering your uric acid levels while you're on our system, and we are affecting all of these components in a positive manner that are all part of your metabolic system, and healing this and getting everything back functional is the key to your long-term success and overall improvement of health and maintenance of health.